The most important thing to do first thing in the morning is get yourself in a powerful state. If you are in a great mood, you will produce great result. You will have a great day. The better your attitude, the better the result you produce. The better your attitude, the better you can handle, overcome and thrive through challenging and difficulty that's come your way. So get yourself in a great mood. Do whatever it takes to get that feeling. First thing in the morning, whatever work for you. Meditation, reading, gratitude, music, exercise. These are all good options that get you in your state. When your mind is positive and clear, you can handle just about anything, can't you? And you can face challenges with clear mind. They lose their power. They no longer halt your progress. They no longer have struggle over your day or your life. You simply choose the best way to move forward and move on. Most people don't start their day like this. Most people are not happy. Don't be most people be. The minority who start their day with positive expectation. Look at yourself in the mirror and repeat to yourself today. Today is going to be a great day. No matter what happened today, I will see the good. No matter what happened, I will do the right thing. No matter what happened, I will give my all today. Today, I will give my best. So tomorrow will be better. We all have the same amount of time, but some people make the most of it, and some people drag through it. Make the most of yours. Live with a smile on your face. Believe you are deserving of a great life. And get out there and create one. Of you change your thinking, you can change your life. So how do you change your thinking? Well, how do you change your body? You change the body by changing what you feed your body. You change your body by changing how you work your body. The same is true for your thinking. Change what you feed your thoughts. Feed it what positive information and believe. Feed it with new knowledge on self-development. If you learn how to change, you will change. Work out your mindset with books, with audiobooks that expand your existing mindset into something greater. Throw yourself by learning more. Throw yourself by doing the thing that successful people do. No matter what this day brings, a challenge is a miracle and unexpected blessing. Whatever it is, I am grateful for it. Affirm to yourself every day. Today will be a great day. Something magical will happen today. Something truly amazing will happen today. Don't be afraid of missing out. Be afraid of being in the exact same place as you are now. 1 year from today, 5 years from today, 10 years from today, struggling to pay the bills, struggling for energy, struggling to find that passion in your life. Realize what you are going to do today. Get more out of your life. Do it every day. And every day you will love the life you have created for yourself.